Oh, whoa, hold up. Yo, what it do, squad? It's your boy C's from theseasonlife.com. And man, I got the biggest cheese on my face. First of all, Merry Christmas to the tribe, to everybody, friends, family. Take this time out to enjoy your family, enjoy your day. I just am very compulsive, and I've kind of like wanted to shoot this video as soon as I woke up so that I can go about my day and enjoy it. I just want to share a quick message of peace, love, harmony, prosperity, all of it. Just take this time in this moment in time to be grateful for everything that you currently have. Like, sitting here reflecting, I'm looking at the year that I just had, even though still a couple of weeks left. Just been looking at the year, the people I was able to meet, and I can undoubtedly say this has been the best year of my life so far. Although I can go back to 2012 where my life drastically changed. I've done so much in 2012, but 2018, as I'm entering the adult prime years of my life, I can honestly say, like, yo, and the best is yet to come. So I'm looking forward to making 2019 even better. And year by year, I'm looking to add, more and more momentous experiences and just share as much as I possibly can to grow you as a human being as well as myself. Man, like, who can I shout out? My mom, my wife, my son, my mastermind group, my mentors, my friends. I just sent like a massive text to like everybody that I text this year or I talked to this year, all the new people, like just simple Merry Christmas, right? And man, like, just to rattle my brain and think as how far I've come from the start of this year to like Christmas. And I mentioned yesterday, basically like these type of days are like very bittersweet because growing up, one, didn't really celebrate Christmas too much, and then two, there was nothing to celebrate, right? Because growing up in the environment that I grew up in is constant stress and whatnot. But now my whole purpose in life is to inspire people that grew up in the same circumstances as I came from and show them that there is a light at the end of the tunnel, right? Because as human beings, we are ingrained to move in the direction of the light. And if there's no light in our lives, we just disintegrate, right? And my whole goal with this channel and with my content is to provide that light, to share with you that there is light and you just can just edge closer. So when you are at the brink of giving up or quitting, just know that I'll be here, for you. And if you are, ingrained in your journey and you just like go ship sail somewhere else and go down your own little rabbit hole and you find your way back to me, that's perfectly fine as well. I'm here to grow this community of creators and doers, movers and shakers, thought leaders, influencers, whatever you want to call them. No labels here, but just know that I'll be here day in and day out, even on Christmas. 365, right? 365. So, man, I don't want to ramble too long because I want to take this day and this time to reflect and be present in the moment. Finish meditating, had a lovely meditation session. I am going to go more in depth on how I meditate and see if that benefits you, because there's like the stigma of meditation and mindfulness going around, and you're just like get bogged down by information overload. Like, should I do this? What do I do? And I want to answer all the questions that you have in terms of meditation, basically using myself as an example on how I meditate and the results I was able to see through meditation. Anyway, voice is raspy. Took a nice little steam shower to get rid of this little like cough with the change of climate, but I am well rested and I'm going to enjoy Christmas with my little booger because he's running around somewhere, and this is the best time to like catch some family videos for the archives, so when he's 18 I can show him like, yo, look at you being a little nuisance right now. Anyways, if you made it this far, thank you for watching, and Merry Christmas to you and your fam. Wishing you all the best, and let's make 2019 an epic one. All right, peace.